All right.
And we're back with another electromagnet. This is a buzzer. Used to be used in lieu of a doorbell years ago. So once again, power on, 3 volts. 1.5, nothing. 4.5, 6, 9, 12. Now you notice it's rated for 6 volts, so that's the operating voltage, but I'm pushing it. 9. Now this will get hot in time, so you can't run it continuously at higher voltage. Now we're going to move over to the bell, which is made by the same company. It's just a refinement of the same thing. Again, 6 volts. Okay, so we're still powered. Let's start with 3. Not enough to hit the bell. 4.5. A little bit. 6. That's the voltage it's rated at, but pushing it. 9. And here's 12. So at 12, faster, louder. But that again, 6. If it's just a quick one. And there you have it. Electromagnet. And what happens here is there's a set of contacts right here. And when the magnet pulls it in, it kills the power. So it immediately falls back. And it's just going back and forth. That's how it works. The buzzer's the same way. And now we're back with another electromagnet, which is actually a switch powered by an electromagnet. So